We have some fire packages to open. I am very, very excited for this unboxing. If you love sneakers and you love giveaways, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We have a giveaway going on for the Air Jordan 6 DMP. This pair right here, brand new, size 11. I will be giving away this pair on April 4th. The release date for this sneaker is April 11th. I have done an unboxing video, and I'll be dropping more videos on the DMP 6s. I will leave a link to the unboxing video up above, so make sure you guys check that video out. To enter the giveaway for the Jordan 6 DMP size 11, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that post notification bell, turn on all notifications, hit that like button, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 6 DMP, and let me know what you guys think about sneaker unboxing videos. Do you guys love sneaker unboxing videos just as much as I do? For a bonus entry, you can give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter if you have both, and when you're on Instagram, you can send me a DM with screenshots with proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway. We have 3 packages to unbox. I'm very, very excited for these packages. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys, please, we are trying to get to 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you guys love sneakers, and if you, of course, love sneaker giveaways. You can also give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter at DannyMoore2369 like it is on screen. Guys, please help me grow. Let's grow the channel. More family, let's keep growing. Let's keep growing. I'm very, very excited for the future. We're growing. I want to grow, a little bit faster. I do have to, of course, niche down. So let's jump into these unboxings. We have 3 packages to unbox. This top one right here, it is a small box. The top 2 boxes are small, and then we do have a pair of sneakers that I am very, very excited to show you guys here on the channel. So right now, let me show you guys what I did pick up from, I believe, Fanatics dropped these. So I wound up picking 2 of them up, one for me and one for my brother because he wanted one as well. These right here are the Michael Jordan Funko Pops. This is the UNC number 75 one. I'm not sure which one is which. I think there's like a home one and like a uniform one. I'm not sure which one's which. But yeah, man, this is definitely a very nice looking pop. And I do honestly own almost all of the Michael Jordan Funko Pops. So there's the other one. 2, one for me, one for my brother. I did pick up as well. Let's go ahead and unbox some more, shall we? And though I get into the sneakers, make sure you guys do stay tuned. Watch this entire video because we are going to get into the sneakers. I'm very excited for, as well, more Michael Jordan Funko Pops. And this is the jersey one right here, number 74. So I believe I now own all of the Michael Jordan Funko Pops. I have another one here, once again, for my brother. I think I own all of them now, to be honest. I'm pretty sure I own every single one. I think I do. I have to double check. I'll let you guys know if you're really interested on Instagram. But yeah, these are very, very dope. Woo! Very, very fire. So these are some Hypebeast sneakers that I did pick up from somebody, and I did already open up the box, and yeah, now I have the sneakers, which I have not looked at yet, but I did open up the outer box already because I wanted to make sure that they, of course, were here, and here they are. So we're going to take a look at them together. So this right here is the Air Force 1 Low Supreme, $96, and this is, believe it or not, size 10. If you guys know me, I am a 10.5 or an 11. I went with the size 10 because they do fit big. Very big. I do have a 10.5 in Air Force 1s. They do fit very big, where I decided to get a size 10 in this colorway. I'm going to show you guys the shoe, and you guys let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. Are these the meme Air Force 1s? Let me know. For the Supreme Nike tissue paper, are these... Ooh, wow. These are nice. Very nice. Are these the Gang Activity Air Force 1s? The Supreme pair, of course. We do have, of course, that beautiful Supreme box logo there on the back. Other than that, it is the black standard Nike Air Force 1. So I did pick these up, honestly, for a decent price. I did pay, of course, resale. If you guys did check out the How to Cop video, that video for me did very well. I did pull like 18,000 views in like just 2 days. So I did decide to pick these up for personal. I will be keeping these. These are very, very dope. The black Air Force One with the Supreme box logo. I do, of course, want to get the white pair, so I will be picking up the white pair in the future. I'm very, very excited. I will be dropping more videos on these, so you guys can stay tuned for a full in-depth review as well. Of course, as on feet, because I am keeping them. So, I will be putting these on feet for you guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. Let me know if you guys copped any of the Supreme Air Force Ones. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop always dropping that fire. Straight fire. We out.